Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PlayStation 5 internet lag. First, let's tackle some immediate steps. The most effective way to reduce lag is to use a wired Ethernet connection, providing a more stable and faster experience than Wi-Fi. Next, try restarting your PlayStation 5 and your router. This simple action can resolve many temporary network glitches. Always keep your console's system software updated, as new versions often include performance improvements. Finally, minimize network congestion by disconnecting any unused devices from your home network. Now, let's dive into optimizing your network settings. Changing your DNS server can significantly improve response times. Try Google's public DNS at 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary. Experiment with your MTU setting, starting with 1473 or 1450 instead of the default 1500. If using Wi-Fi, ensure your PlayStation 5 connects to the 5 GHz band for quicker data transfer and reduced interference. Consider setting a static IP address for your console to enhance connection stability. Your router's placement and settings are crucial. Position your router as close as possible to your PlayStation 5, avoiding thick walls or large objects that can block the signal. Regularly update your router's firmware to benefit from the latest improvements. Verify your NAT type. An open or Type 2 NAT is ideal for online gaming, reducing connectivity issues. Also, enable quality of service, or QoS, on your router to prioritize your PlayStation 5's internet traffic over other devices, ensuring your games get the bandwidth they need. For persistent lag, consider these advanced steps. Always check for background applications or downloads on your PlayStation 5 that might be using up valuable bandwidth. If your internet speeds are consistently low, even after these adjustments, it might be time to upgrade your internet service plan. If all else fails, do not hesitate to contact your internet service provider. They can offer specific solutions tailored to your network. Finally, enable performance mode on your PlayStation 5 for smoother gameplay, prioritizing frame rates over graphical fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.